Hi, my name is Caden Jett, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to add products to WordPress websites, specifically through WooCommerce. Here we have the dashboard for WordPress in general. Over here on the left side, with at least with the current edition of WooCommerce, the Products tab is actually right below it. You can go to Add New. And here will take you just straight up to a location where you can start typing information. So, since we know that we're going to be dealing with t-shirts later on in the semester, we're going to go ahead and just make a product called plain white t-shirt, and then we're women's large. Okay, and a lot of this is going to consist of simply filling in a lot of the same information because there isn't much information to really add onto the key tag of plain white t-shirt women's large. So a lot of this is just going to be copy and pasted. Plain white t-shirt women's large. And you have more options down here if you want to, of course, go ahead and set your price. We'll go ahead and set it to $10. We can actually go ahead and schedule a time in which we want to sale. So we'll say that it'll go on sale for $7.50, and we'll just do that over this upcoming weekend. So from Friday to Sunday, the price on our website is going to automatically change to be $7.50. You also have other options, such as if you want to go ahead and give it a tag. I have plain black t-shirt for men's as stock 00001. So let's go ahead and make this 00002 to keep it there. You can choose to manage your stock manually, and this is good if you have a limited supply. Or if you are not currently making these shirts and are afraid of letting demand slip away from you. You can choose whether or not you want to allow back orders. You can essentially show the low stock threshold whenever it's going to basically be alerting people that you have low stock. You can have other linked products, such as perhaps if they like the large black t-shirt, maybe they'll like a large white t-shirt and vice versa. That would be more so a cross sale. Not much upselling you can do for a t-shirt, other than perhaps like a hoodie or something of that nature. You can come here and give it attribute tags that will help whenever people are searching your website. There are other advanced options that we won't get into here. And then of course we have the option to add media. Here we can go to some of our various galleries, media libraries, and if we had one on hand, we could upload a picture of what our plain white t-shirt women's large would look like. From here you can choose whether you want this product to be visible, whether it is whether it needs review or whether it's a draft of what's going on with your publishing, and you can choose when you want to publish this. So if you don't want to immediately publish your findings, you can simply wait until a launch day. And that kind of concludes our tutorial. Once you're ready, you can simply press publish, and your product with the image, if you have one, will be appearing in your store. Alright, thank you so much for coming to the tutorial, and I hope you have a great day.